Greetings students. Today we're going to learn about one of the France-based engineering company, Technip. It carries out project management, engineering and construction for the energy industry. Let us know this company in a much better way. Technip SA is a company that carries out project management, engineering and construction for the energy industry. Its headquarters are in the 16th arrondissement of Paris. It has about 40,000 employees and operates in 48 countries. Technip shares are listed on the NYSE Euronext Paris Exchange and the USA over-the-counter OTC market as an American depository receipt. Technip is primarily an energy business and is active in all the three business segments, namely subsea, offshore and onshore. Around 40,000 in its roles, Technip operates in 48 countries. In addition to manpower, it owns a fleet of 21 vessels in operation and 9 more under construction. As of the end of 2013, while the operating income of Technip Group from recurring activities stood at approximately 844.5 million euros, the total revenues stood at more than 9.3 billion euros. Technip was established in 1958 by IFP Institut Francois de Pétrole as Compagnie Française d'Études et de Construction Technip. For more than 50 years, Technip has demonstrated its ability to anticipate and adapt to changing market trends and customer expectations. International expansion and continuous development of our expertise and know-how, Technip has evolved into a world-class engineering group. 1958, Technip, an engineering company, is established in Paris with a workforce of 100 people. 1960s, for a series of successions abroad with the completion of projects in Africa and Asia. 1970s, Technip establishes an office in Rome, making it an international company. Technip Geo Production, a subsidiary specialized in the equipment of hydrocarbon fields, is established. During this period, Coflexip, a firm specialized in the design, manufacture and supply of flexible subsea flow lines, is created by the IFP, French Petroleum Institute, and opens a flexible flow line manufacturing plant in Les Tredes, France, as well as offices in Houston, Aberdeen, and Rio de Janeiro. 1980s, Technip expands its global presence and opens operating centers in Kuala Lumpur and Abu Dhabi. Coflexip opens a second flowline manufacturing plant in Brazil and branches out into the manufacture of umbilicals with the establishment of the Duco plant in Newcastle, UK. 1990s, the Technip share is listed on the Paris Stock Exchange and the Coflexip share is listed on the New York Stock Exchange. Technip becomes one of the world's leading engineering groups through the acquisition of companies with strong technological expertise, Speichim, Krebs and KTI. Established in the United States, KTI enables Technip to set up in North America. Coflexip establishes a presence in Australia and acquires a Norwegian company, Stena Offshore. 2000s, Technip merges with Coflexip, which has just acquired Aker Maritime's deepwater division. The unified group is now one of the top 5 companies worldwide in engineering, technologies and services for the energy industry. Many major contracts are signed, notably in the Middle East in the liquefied natural gas, LNG, ethylene and refining sectors. The Technip share is included in the CAC 40, the benchmark index on the Paris Stock Exchange, in September 2009. In 2010, 2 major assets come into operation. The Technip fleet expands to 17 vessels with the addition of the Apache II, one of the most advanced pipe-lay vessels in the industry, and the Scandi Vitória, a Brazilian-flagged vessel dedicated to the pre-salt market. Asia Flex Products, the group's third flexible pipe production plant, located in Tanjung Langsat, Malaysia, is inaugurated. 2011, Technip acquires Global Industries and substantially expands its addressable market in subsea. Global Industries' capabilities, offshore heavy lift know-how and assets along with Technip's unique vertically integrated range of products and services enables an offer of substantial value in the execution of complex projects from deep to shore. 2013, Technip acquired Stone & Webster Process Technologies and associated oil and gas engineering capabilities from the Shaw Group. Stone & Webster portfolio of technologies in ethylene, refining and petrochemicals is complementary to Technip's business and will enable them to become a world-class downstream technology leader. The chairman and CEO is assisted in his management responsibilities by the ExCom comprising the two chief operating officers, the chief financial officer, the director of human resources, the general counsel and one other senior executive from the operational business. Thierry Pilenko is the chairman and CEO. Technip was awarded by Petrobras 2 ultra-deep water contracts for the supply of flexible pipes for the Sapinhoa Norte field and 15 at Lula field, former Tupi field, located in the Santos Basin pre-salt area, Brazil, at a water depth of up to 2,500 meters. The combination of both contracts covers the supply of approximately 100 kilometers of flexible pipes for oil production, gas lift and gas injection. It also includes related equipment for the pre-salt area to be installed on the floating production storage and offloading FPSO units, Cidade da Angra dos Reis and Cidade da Inhabela. The gas injection top risers are designed for high internal pressure using the Theta profile developed by Technip's R&D team in its Flexi France plant in La Traite, France. The gas injection top riser, together with the majority of the scope above, will be manufactured in Flexi Brazacu, starting production in the first quarter of 2014 in line with previously announced plans. The remaining scope will be manufactured in Fabregas Vitória, Technip's operating center in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, which performed the engineering and project management. If energy were easy, there would be no need for a company like Technip. Today and tomorrow, they work with their clients wherever they are to bring energy to the world. They will continue to contribute to their success through their constant customer focus and their integrated and sustainable project approach. As the industry reference, they will demonstrate the know-how, the commitment and the inspiration to help all of their partners push further to achieve their goals. This is their vision of their business and above all, their passion. So students, we got to know about the various aspects of Technip. We went through the company's history to its present market scenario. Hope it was useful for you and have a very good day ahead.